Everyone, it's Jeannie again, and I thought I would do just a quick project share video with you. And I also have, just to start off, I have some happy mail to share. My best friend from Indiana, hi Lisa if you're watching, made me this Christmas traveler's notebook, and I just love it. It's the cutest thing ever. And I knew she had been making these, but I never thought she would send me one, so I'm really excited to have it. And I think it's inspired me to do a December daily. And you know what's funny, you guys? I have bought all the supplies to make these, and I have never made it. So, but I wanted to show it to you because it's so cute. So anyway, it's got the shiny band on it, and then it's got this cute little Santa Claus button that is on the band. And then when you open it up, it has 3 notebooks in it, and she did a little pocket on this page, and it has some stickers in there, a die-cut Santa, and then some Christmas stickers that are just tucked in the pocket. So really cute. And then the first, she made all of the inserts, and the first one has it's with this cute paper, and I never did find this. This one might be the hot cocoa pad. I never did find that, but I love it. And then she made this insert with graph paper, so it's really cute. It's got some washi tape there in the center, probably to reinforce it. So really cute. And then the second notebook, there's her binding there, and the second notebook has this cute peppermint paper on it. And then this insert has several pages in it, and this is the, I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's the dot grid paper. And she used really nice quality paper here, so if I want to do some drawing or even some mixed media on it, I think it'll be okay. So, and again, it's got the washi tape in the center here with the poinsettias. And then here is the last notebook, and this one just has blank pages in it, and she made this really cute little red paper clip with the Santa ribbon on there. And then at the end, she has a page marker that's all laminated. And then she also, there's another pocket back here, and this was the note that she had tucked in the front when she sent it to me. And then she has a laminated card with all this pretty washi tape on it. So it's got bells, a plaid, the cardinals, and then holly on there too. So I thought it was so cute. And so I'm thinking, now that I don't have little kids, I'm thinking it might be hard for me to do a traditional December daily. I mean, to do something every day, because we just don't do something Christmassy every day. But I think I'm gonna do my kind of my Christmas list in there, and then I think I'm gonna do some kind of traditional December daily pages, and I think I might intersperse it with some holiday memories. So anyway, you know, just things I want to kind of jot down and document and remember. So, so I think that's what I'm going to use it for. So I'm excited about that. So thank you, Lisa. I just love it. And it was such a surprise. So love Happy Mail. So she's been just spoiling me lately. So anyway, the other thing I wanted to show you project-wise was I made another one of these large photo folios. And this, again, was inspired by Lyric Lover 810, that is Amber, and she does a lot of projects for craft fairs and things, and she showed a tutorial on how to make this. And if you look back to a video or two ago of mine, I made another one for a new great niece that I have, and then my daughter's best friend and her husband had a baby also recently, and I did cross-stitch them some bibs. But, and that kind of went in with my daughter's gift, but I decided, I had such a good time making this, I decided to make another one for them. And I had made them a mini album when they were doing some travel nursing. And so, and I know that the baby's mom, her name is Deidre, I know that she is crafty and she likes to do stuff like this. So I used an Echo Park just one of those paper kits that has the stickers and the double-sided paper, and I think it was called the Little Boy Collection. And these are all stickers from the kit, and you guys, you make these with 4 double-sided papers. So this was a big sticker that was in the kit, and then there was an alphabet sticker, and I did pop those up on foam tape a little bit, and then this was also a sticker from the kit. So the cover is very simple. And then when you open it, there's a pocket on each page. And so I just used, the baby's name is Walker. And so I just did stickers on each of the pockets. And then I did do this a little bit differently. It was actually by mistake. Amber had cut these to fit 4x6 photos, and these will actually fit 5x7s, but 4x6s I think will look fine on there too. So there is and these are just backed on white cardstock. And then I did the cut aparts from the kit to just make little journaling spots, and then use some stickers on the back. So again, and I did use some coordinating cardstock. I was actually able to use some cardstock out of my scrap bin, so that was really nice. So I've got these little journaling cards here, just some little stickers on the back, and then there's some more of the design paper for the photo insert. And then, like I said, they can put a photo on both sides of that, or even tuck photos in, because these are nice and roomy. So, yep. So just kind of the same all the way along. Really cute paper. You know, just little. Use the stickers from the collection just to embellish the back of these. And so, yep, you can kind of keep going. So there's either 1 or 2 journaling spots in each pocket, and then a photo card in each pocket. So anyway, so super cute, fun to make. And then I put a little sticker, one of the stickers on the back to document it. So anyway, so I made another one of those, and just because I had enjoyed making them and I wanted to make them something else for the baby. So so that's my little project share. And I do have just a teeny tiny bit of haul. I went ahead and got, you guys, I know that lots of people, this seems to be the biggest, most popular hot buy paper pack from Michaels this season, for at least from what I'm seeing online. And so, and I wasn't going to get this one, and then when I was actually at the store looking at them, and I had showed this in a haul before, but I decided I didn't really, I mean, it has some cute cut aparts and things in it, but I'm like, I need some embellishments. And I do have the Sugar Plum collection that has some pink elements in it, and also I have some Snow and Cocoa. But I was just looking online, and I noticed this hadn't caught my attention before, but I noticed the Frank Garcia Santa Baby collection by Prima, and so I got some of that. So I got the puffy stickers, and then I also got the chipboard stickers, and I just kind of wanted to show how nicely this goes with this. So, and this is double-sided. I just think that little snowman is adorable, his little face, but you can see how nicely these coordinate. Now the Sugar Blush, it doesn't have any of the mint green in it, but I still think it's okay. And this is a true white, and this is kind of an off-white, but I still think it will be fine. So, and the foiling on this is pink, and this has gold, but I still, like I said, I still think it'll coordinate really cutely. And I may or may not have some more of the Santa Baby collection on the way to me from scrapbook.com. So anyway, so that is my little paper crafting share. I hope you guys are doing well and having a nice weekend and getting geared up for Thanksgiving. I need to go to the grocery store, and I have been putting it off because I'm sort of dreading it. But anyways, hope you all, I probably won't get a video out again before Thanksgiving. So here in the U.S., I hope if you celebrate Thanksgiving, you have a wonderful one. And for everybody else across the world, I hope you are having a wonderful weekend and a lovely winter and or summer if you're on the other side of the globe. Anyway, so that's all for me now. Take care. Bye.